Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Myself Priyanka and you are watching Garden of Yam. Today's recipe is all about masala dosa. We will see how to make masala dosa at your home very easily. So let's quickly see the recipe. So at first we will prepare the batter for the dosa. For that, take 1 cup of urad dal. To that add 3 cups of normal rice which we eat regularly. To that add 1 tablespoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. Now wash it with water very properly. Now after rinsing the dirt water, add required amount of water to soak it. Now soak it in water for 4 hours. After 4 hours, in a bowl add 1 cup of flattened rice or poha. Now wash it in water very thoroughly and then soak it in water for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes add the soaked poha or the flattened rice along with the soaked rice, urad dal and methi in a mixer grinder jar to grind it to a smooth paste. Now don't add all the quantity at once in your jar. Add required amount of water to make it a paste. Now grind it to a smooth paste. Now there should be no lumps in your paste. Now keep it for fermentation. Keep the paste in a big bowl because it will rise after fermenting. Now cover and keep it untouched for about 8 hours or overnight. Now after 8 hours, you can see the paste is well fermented because it has risen and it has doubled in size. Now take it in a bigger bowl. You don't need to worry, it will automatically ferment after 8 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it. And then add a little bit of water, about 1 cup. Now your dosa batter is ready. Now you have to prepare the masala for the dosa. Now add 4 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. After it heats, add 1 tablespoon of black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of hing, 12 to 14 curry leaves, now mix it very properly. Now cook it in medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 5 chopped green chilies. Mix it. Now add 2 handful of peanuts. Then add 3 largely sized chopped onions. Now mix it and cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. Now after 10 minutes, add 2 largely sized chopped tomatoes. Mix and cook till the tomatoes becomes mushy. Now after the tomatoes becomes mushy, add 4 largely sized boiled and mashed potatoes. Remember to mash the boiled potatoes very properly before you give it in the masala. Now mix it with the onion tomato masala. Now after mixing it properly, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 2 teaspoons of sambar masala. Now this is purely optional but this will give the perfect taste of masala dosa. Sambar masala is readily available in the market. Now mix it very properly. Cook it for 15 minutes in medium flame and stir it continuously in the middle. Now after 15 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now mix it and turn off the flame. Your masala for the dosa is ready. Now you have to prepare the dosa. In a dosa tawa or non-stick tawa, grease 1 teaspoon of refined oil. After greasing it, wipe it out. There should be no oil left in the tawa. Now split some water. Let the tawa heat in high flame. After it heats, add the dosa batter with a ladle. Now gently spread it in same direction from the middle. Remember, the gas should be in medium flame now. Now after spreading it properly, let it become brown from the bottom or cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now after it becomes brown, spread 1 tablespoon of butter on the top. It will give a delicious taste. You can also use refined oil, but butter is more delicious. Then add the masala aloo. Now cook it for 2 minutes and then take it out. You can give it a shape of your choice. You can either roll it or you can do like this. This is properly your choice. Now in the same process, do all the dosas. I am showing you another one. Now I have made 3 kinds of dosa chutneys also. It's very easy recipe. You can check it out. I will give the link in the description box. So likewise, you can make restaurant style dosa at your home and you can get the South Indian taste. So enjoy it very hot with your family. Next day I will come with another delicious recipe. Till then, stay tuned.